storms, Minka, right? It's raining. Another monsoon type. Everything's secured. Palms are dancing. Minka's not afraid. Yeah, you've got everything secured here. Trees are doing their dance. Off in the distance. Minka's out in the rain. Yeah, good girl. You're not afraid. Oh, just fell. Yeah, let's see stuff. We should go in the house, I do believe. What's that? Yeah, just a brief. I mean, they didn't even call for accumulation until 10 p.m. Grill never moved. The fridge is secured. AC's running. We got power. Okay, you want to go potty before we go in the house? No, don't eat it, silly. Don't eat it. Hey, leave it. Minka. Leave it. Minka, leave it. I can see clearly now. The rain is here. Wet. What kind of day? Storms on the horizon. Temperature is no longer rising. Yes, now that's heavy. That's not going anywhere. That's bungeed. That's bungeed. That's bungeed. That's strapped. Everything's good here. Just get the furniture away from the open deck and secure it. Oh yeah, here it comes. Yeah. Here it comes, Minka. Good. House now? Mother Nature.